How to change Uber Eats bicycle to car? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel Web Quiz. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change Uber Eats bicycle to car or even vice versa. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget that you can find the Uber sign up and website links in the description. So, if you have this uber.com, there you're gonna find at the bottom the language and the city. The different vehicles or bikes or transports that you are able to use are depending with your city. Okay, so I'm from a Latin American country and I've tried to change my city here for New York City and also the language. But even if I go into my account and click on drive and deliver, so I'm gonna find like some steps that are in Spanish, even if I try to make that in English. There's no way, but I'm gonna show you that here, for instance, they are asking me for like my ID, my driver license, and I guess this is the same for the United States country. But for instance, here in my country, we don't have the option to go on bike or on by foot or even on scooter. There is only the motorbike and the car. Okay, but let's suppose I fill all this data in order to make my deliveries with my motorbike. I'm going back into my uber.com, and when I do that, I'm going to be recognized just as a motorbike. And if I want to change my transport, I must to go into help.uber.com and try to chat with them. Also, I've tried to look for a chat and support our customer service here in Uber, but it has not been possible. I recommend you to go into driving and delivering and write just chat. And there is an option that I have a different delivery issue. So there you're gonna find the telephone support line, okay? Or you can chat using your app also, but here on your computer you can describe your problem in detail. This order number is just optional because obviously our problem is that we want to change our vehicle, our transport, okay? And once you have done that, click on submit and you have to complete all the process through your email with Uber. That's it. If you want to avoid all these steps, basically you must create a different account and make the registration with a different transport, okay? But even if you are working by foot and want to change your transport to a bike or a motorbike or a car, this is the same process, okay? So that's how you can change Uber Eats bicycle to car or even vice versa or even between different transports. Thanks for watching.